Hi everyone, in this video I will teach you how to enable dark mode on YouTube on your mobile phone. So this is quick and easy, so let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so for the first step, we're gonna open YouTube. Once you've opened, you're gonna tap on the profile icon on the top right corner of your screen with the initial of the first letter of your email logged in. Just go ahead and tap it. And once you've tapped it, you will be seeing this set of options. And in this set of options, we're gonna select on settings. Once you've tapped it, you will be transferred to this screen. And on this screen, we're gonna tap on general on the topmost of the list. And you will be presented with this screen. And on this set of settings, as you can see, there is an appearance option, the third one on the list. Let's go ahead and tap it so that we can choose whether light or dark theme will be shown on our application. And once you've tapped it, you will be seeing these three options. You can either use the device theme, light theme, or the dark theme. And just an advice, if the device theme is already set to dark, the YouTube application will be on dark mode as well. And once you've selected the option that you want, the dark theme, you don't need to press save, it will apply. And there you go. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.